Hi, so there are three cases in how induced EMF will be produced. One is in the coil, straight conducting wire, then kita ada rotating coil. But first going to focus on induced EMF in the coil. So basically, kita kata kat sini kita ada magnetic flux linkage with the coil. So kita ada V equal to NBA. So induced EMF produced is with the changes in magnetic flux. Okay, so it's dV over dt. So kita masukkan equation yang ini. So we have two cases. Is either we have constant area or constant magnetic field. Okay, so in the assumption side, you punya coil ni bukan assumption, with the condition side, you punya coil ni tak berubah position. Maksudnya dia tak rotate at any position lah. Okay, so basically the changes here ada sama ada A ataupun B sahaja. So negative sign indicates is a back EMF or induced EMF. So if A constant and A dB over dt, so dB will be the changes in magnetic field. So dB mestilah B final minus B initial. Same goes here. dA must be A final minus A initial. Right? So how to determine the directions of induced EMF for this case? Kita akan guna right hand grip rule. Put your thumb in the center of the coil. With your thumb follow the directions of induced magnetic field. The key word here, you got to use the induced magnetic field, not the external magnetic field given in the question. Then curl your finger, directions of induced EMF follows the curl of your finger. Okay? Ataupun induced current lah, basically it's the same thing. Hi guys, so this question is choice 8C from your tutorial book. This is one of the example questions on induced EMF in a coil. So kita ada rectangular frame. We given that the dimensions of the frame is 30 cm to 20 cm. We have with 300 turns of wires. So the coil is situated in uniform magnetic field where the plane is perpendicular to the field. So here is your plane, here is your field. Perpendicular means that there are 90 degrees to each other. Then kita ada magnitude, calculate the magnitude of induced EMF in the coil when the magnetic field changes from O to 0.8 in 0.96 seconds. So from here we know that the area will be 30 cm. Convert everything in meter, then -2. Okay, so here gonna get 0.06 meter square. Then B initial is 0 Tesla, B final is 0.8 Tesla. Then dia punya time taken for the changes to happen in 0.96 seconds. Number of turns is 300. Okay, so to calculate the induced EMF equal to negative N A dB over dt, because the other things are constants. So number of turns is 300. Okay, so area is 0.06 meter square. Then for the changes, dB over dt must be B final minus B initial over the time taken for it to happen. Okay, so you're going to get negative 15 volt. Okay, negative means that the directions of induced EMF will be opposite directions of the actual EMF, ataupun nama dia adalah back EMF. Okay, just leave your answer is negative sign.